Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Bourbonnais, local and long-distance movers near me. Our staff of reliable movers will make sure your long-distance move goes smoothly. Regardless of how far you want to move, our skilled crew of movers can make it happen a lot simpler. By having the best moving services to assist you, any kind of move, large or small, becomes a lot easier. If you're looking for a basic move or a full-service move, we offer all the choices you require, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to justify the price when hiring an Illinois moving company. However, when you start to realize the advantages, the cost seems to be well worth it. Any decent moving company will help you save time on a local move. Movers also make sure you don't have to deal with any of the heavy lifting. Our moving team will make it simple to get to your new location without having to deal with nearly as much to concern. If you would like a streamlined moving day, 3 movers is the best decision for you. We can complete even the biggest moves in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bourbonnais moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.